Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. This morning, I will answer several questions to fulfill the requirements of the final examination as assignment. Okay, question number one. We recognize several scientific theories of truth, including the correspondence, coherence, pragmatic, and religious theories. Explain these four theories and provide example for each of them. Okay, answer. There are several scientific theories of truth. The correspondence theory states that truth is based on conformity with fact. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The coherence theory views truth as consistency within a system of ideas, such as mathematical theories. The pragmatic theory considers something true if it is useful practice, for example, effective economic policy. Meanwhile, the religious theory sees truth as something that comes from divine revelation, such as teachings found in holy scriptures. Question number one. Question number two. Mention several tools of scientific thinking that you know and explain each of them, including why they are important in scientific thinking along with examples. Okay, answer. Scientific thinking use several tools such as concept, definition, classification, proposition, and deductive and inductive reasoning. These tools are important to clarify meaning, organize object of study, and draw logical conclusion. For example, classifying living beings or using inductive reasoning in experiments. Okay, question number three. Explain the difference between the paradigms of rationalism and empirism in understanding how knowledge is obtained. Provide example for both paradigms. Okay, answer. Rationalism believes that knowledge comes mainly from reason and logic, such as mathematical reasoning. In contrast, empirism argues the knowledge comes from experience and observation. For example, discovering gravity through observing falling objects. The main difference between them lies in the search of knowledge. Question number four. In the philosophy of science, there are three important concepts: ontology, epistemology, and axiology. Explain these three concepts and give example. Okay, answer. Ontology discusses what is studied by science. Epistemology explains how knowledge is obtained, such as through observation and experiment. And axiology focus on the values and purpose of science, for example, ethical consideration in technology. Okay, question number five. Explain the hierarchy of knowledge according to the philosophy of science and provide example for each level. Okay, answer. The hierarchy of knowledge start with philosophy as the foundation, followed by formal science such as mathematics, natural science, social science, and applied science. This hierarchy shows the level of abstraction and practical application. For example, engineering as an application of physics. Question number six. In Islam, we recognize the concept of Islamization of knowledge and the integration of religion and science. What do these two concepts mean? What are the backgrounds behind their emergence? How are they implemented? Okay, answer. The Islamization of knowledge is an effort to align modern science with Islamic values, while the integration of religion and science aims to unite revelation and scientific knowledge. This concept emerged due to concern about secularization. They are implemented through in ethical science, a Tawhid-based perspective, and integrate education that combines religious and scientific knowledge. Okay, that is the end of my presentation. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.